Hi.
Hi, welcome to Sunway International Unit.
Well, thank you. So what we got here?
Currently, we're at Citrine Lakehomes, which is our newly launched 22x88 landed homes by the lake. It's within walking distance to Citrine Hub and our seafront precinct.
Right. So how many cars can you fit over here?
This car porch is 22 feet wide, which we can easily fit 2 to 3 cars. And this is a gateless concept within a fully gated and guarded community by Sunway Security. Come, let's just check out the show unit.
Right, let's go. Hi.
我是 Chloe, welcome.
Thank you. So, what's the size of this house?
So the lot size of this unit is 22x80 with 3 bedrooms upstairs and the guest room downstairs. So the total build of this unit is 2148 square feet.
Right, well the space looks amazing. It doesn't look like it.
Yes, what we have improved on the layout is that we have the staircases shifted to the corner and the guest room shifted to the front. So immediately, we have a very nice linear space carried throughout the whole living, dining and the kitchen area. So what differentiates this unit from norm is that each unit, be intermediate or a corner unit, would come with a huge backyard. So because of this huge space and the huge windows, the house is very well lit.
Right, and I actually thought here is a corner lot.
Yeah, so this land is perfect for those homeowners who do not like to have a huge space to maintain. So do you cook a lot?
Well, no, but my wife does it most of the time.
I'm sure that your wife will love this kitchen because usually the kitchen spaces are very dark, but this kitchen is connected to the backyard. So because of this connectivity, the kitchen is very well lit and the cooking experiences will be very different.
Well, I do have to agree with you because the moment I stepped into this house, I just love the outside view.
是的，这款房子特别的地方是它多了这个空间，让整间房子看起来更加的明亮。那比起车房，这里更适合让你的小孩作为一个小小的娱乐空间。我们上楼去看看吧。
So coming to the second level, the private living hall here is way much bigger now and all rooms are en suite. Come, check them out. The usual link houses will have issues of odd sizes or maybe one room bigger than the other, but now both rooms are of equal sizes.
主人房整体使用整间房子的22尺宽度来设计，那即使摆放一张 king size 的双人床也不会是个问题。你看看，那重点从这边望出去呢，就可以直接看得到翡翠湖的美丽景色。
But now we have seen the entire house. Guys, where are we exactly?
Follow us and we'll show you around. Come.
Let's go. Citrine Lakehomes 是我们双 A 斯堪达在湖区所推出的最后一起双层牌楼，
临近双威国际学校，即将落成的谢华国民型华文小学 Sunway Citrine Hub， 还有双威独家的滨海项目。
Mr. Nigel, your drink is ready.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Here's your coffee.
Well, thank you.
So Nigel, one thing I realized is how close we are to this mall.
Yes, so literally we are at walking distance between Citrine Lakehomes to Citrine Hub. This might not be your typical shopping mall, but it serves well to the neighborhood. We have Jaya Grocer, Mr. DIY, Sunway Pharmacy, and a variety of eateries such as Sushi House, Old Town White Coffee, Starbucks, Awesome Brew, and Morgan Fields, and many others.
Well, thanks for having us.
Thank you so much for visiting us today.
We will see you guys again on the next home tour.
那如果你也向往这双威独有的生活格调 ，Citrine Lakehomes 22层80双层牌楼现在已开始开放预约。
Do book your appointment with us to view this exclusive show unit.
See you soon.